Good morning, all. CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Wednesday morning, June 8th. We are looking at Window Trader's market profile. SPY IWMN triple Qs, and after a very nice late afternoon rally, which pushed the markets to their highs for the day, some digesting going on here. Again, my line in the sand for SPY and triple Qs is C's high. That's where the market spiked from. Now remember, triple Qs didn't take out the day's high until M period. And now they have a wide POC below C's high. They had really nothing to lean on the entire day until they got their price probe. For us and Russell, a little different story. Not only did we all probe, but we have our price spike, which is C's high for SPY, D's high for Russell. Right now, as you can see in the pre-market, we've both dipped below those levels, but for now are above them. That's pretty big line in the sand. Now, this is the entire upper distribution. Remember, we had trend days yesterday, us and Russell. So technically, unless we get below F's low from yesterday, we will be trading inside the upper distribution. However, after all the work the bulls did in J, K, L, and M, you really don't want to give up C's high. You give up C's high, I can't imagine you're not going to go test the bottom of the upper distribution. Plus, remember, the longer you stay in here, value is just unchanged. Bulls want to get this higher again to get higher value. Now, Russell had an outside day up, which is bullish. They also broke through their daily balance. Probably would still call it balance coming into today because they took out yesterday's low, the previous day's low also. But they did break through to the upside, and they are battling right now, once again, around the 50-day moving average. They need acceptance above it. One day doesn't make a market. So today would be another very positive thing if they'd close above it. Because again, their next destination really is 193.93, which is the monthly high. And if they're able to take that out, they would go from down to balance in the monthly. So that's very crucial for them. As far as us, overnight high is 415.76, 413.51 overnight low. Can you take a long against C's high? Of course you can. Just remember, things will be different this morning. It won't be the value instead of the way they... I have to see when I go in ones if we went overlapping a higher. We definitely went unchanged. But value would be only unchanged if you buy that, and you'd be down on the indices, at least initially, against C's high. You have to have an out. So if you buy against C's high, I would basically use J's low as my out. Now, that wasn't the afternoon pullback. F would have been that, except that's the bottom of our upper distribution. But you need an out. So any acceptance, I would say, below J, because that's where they tried to push and then really rebounded and went to the highs. We went from 413 to 416. We had a $3 pop off of that J reversal. So if you take the long against C's high, out below J's low. As far as the short, again, where there were buyers yesterday above L, if they're not there this morning, you could take a short. Again, above L, I'd be out. You don't want to take all the heat up to M's high. That's over $1. These are early plays this morning. And then quickly on the chart, just show you the daily. We are really attempting to come out. This is a 7-day balance. It will start as an 8-day balance unless we gap above or below it. And right now, that doesn't look like that's happening. So you'll have a beginning of an 8-day balance. What are we going to do? Come out of it to the upside and get the 50, or come out of it to the downside to the 20? Thanks for the likes and subscribing. Good luck trading today, and we'll recap at 4 p.m.